This is Novotel Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns have walloped Kaizer Chiefs 5-1. I'm with fan here, Sundowns here. Brother, what is your name and where do you come from?
Wow. My name is Luzuko Pelu, all the way from SLK.
Yeah, on.
Ow! So Sawa Makona.
Yeah. So how do you feel about the game here kind of Kaizer Chiefs 5-1?
I am honest.
Yeah.
So better Makwala. Those guys have got a lot of intent.
Yeah, too much. Yeah. Yeah.
At least you can make 5 minutes.
Penal.
Yeah. Anyway, that's luck is one of the These guys were laughing on us.
Yeah.
Now in Lebanon order,
I'll share.
But you know that?
Yeah. No, but in yeah, it was the thank you very much, my brother. What is your song?
Thank you.
Thank you.